Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to change a Calendly link name. All right. Basically, we're going to edit the URL link. Now, changing your Calendly URL will mean that all of your copied links will no longer work and will need to be updated. All right. To show you what I meant is that when you copy a link right here, for example, okay, and send it to a person, this is your link, right? Now, when you change your URL or link, this one right here will not work. Okay. Now, to change your link, just go ahead over to the Calendly dashboard, which is right here. Now, go to the top right and click on your profile. Click on it. And in the drop down, we have my link. Okay. Just click on it. And here we have the link. Again, this is my name right here tied to my URL or link. There you go. If you want to change it, for example, I'm going to change it to made for money. And as you can see, it is available. I'm going to hit on save changes right here. It says here your settings have been saved. Now I'm going to go back to my dashboard right here under event types. Now let's go ahead and create a new event. For example, one-on-one URL change. Create. Okay. I'm just going to close it. Now copy the link. I'm going to paste it in here. Control V, and as you can see, made for money. And that's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.